So, good day po, everyone. This is Howard Humphrey B. Hugo, and this is the transportation issues that I am experiencing during my daily commute going to school and going home. So, sa simple words po, ang transportation issues are ang mga congestion, delays, or high cost pollution and poor infrastructure and inefficiency which everyone experienced during their commute or daily transportation. So, as a student po na nagko-commute daily or nag-travel, one of our issues is the heavy traffic. So, tulad po niya nasa picture, parang punong-puno po lagi ng sasakyan yung daan. Ayun. Then, second issue naman po is yung broken or under construction roads. Tulad po ng nakikita po dito sa map, there are pinpoints po yung may yellow na bilog na may hard hat and face. Yun po yung mga parts ng kalsada na may ginagawa or sira po yung kalsada. Isa po to sa mga nagkakos ng traffic. Kaya tumabagal or medyo naghihirap yung mga dumadaan sa pag-travel. So, ang third issue naman po is yung vehicles parking in the outer lane of the highway. So, dito po, ang naging issue po dito is yung mga private vehicles or mga dumadaan po na galing sa ibang lugar is tulad po niya ibang truck is nagpa-park po sa outer lane. Kaya po yung ibang sasakyan na dapat nasa outer lane dumadaan na rin sa gitna. Alam naman po ata nating lahat na yung mga tricycle and small displacement na sasakyan is dapat nasa gilid lang po or outer lane. Possible cause ng mga accident which will lead to more self-harm.